A rising star in the music world tragically lost her life in an accident last night. Scottish disc jockey, producer, and artist Sophie died at the age of 34 after an accident in Athens, Greece. Her record label said she had climbed up to watch the full moon and accidentally slipped and fell. She worked with hit artists like Charli XCX, Vince Staples, and even Madonna in her 7-year career. Her debut album, Oil of Every Pearl's Insides, was nominated for a Grammy for Best Dance Electric Album.